Well, hello everybody, and today
in this video we're going to be opening a box from Ella Goodwin.
whoa, let's get unboxing. That's good. Now we've opened it the other way in order to preserve the picture. So we've actually this beautiful paper that Ella's used. Wow, so that's one of the rabbits. Oh, look.
It's like a bunny twin.
Wow, I didn't realise she's going to package them all up beautifully. Wow, that's really lovely.
Another... More rabbits. The rabbits are really cute. Ooh! So we've got an elephant.
Oh no, this one I bought with my own money to give for a present to Auntie Sarah. She likes elephants.
So we've also got some
Oh, let's look at the pictures. Oh, wow. Oh, they're so gorgeous.
wombats. Wombats. And our first cat. So there are two in each cat.
Yeah, twins, aren't they?
So we've got some
Are
little
they
cats.
Wow, cat twins.
They're
Lovely,
small.
lovely soft
And they're very
fabric.
cute. So we've got some rabbits. Oh. Then we've got some badgers.
Oh, I love the badges.
They're really cute. And there's one with the eyes open and one has their eyes closed.
Oh,
Really cute. Next, we've got some more badges. Badges. And then, ooh, we've got something under here, which is a wombat and a card from Miss Ella.
wow.
Let's have a look. Thanks so much, Emma. There's an extra wombat.
Just in case of what I'm not sure. Let me know when you want to arrange popping up. Oh, she's really lovely.
She gave us an extra one.
I know. Oh, how lovely.
That's
She's so
nice.
talented and such a nice person. Oh. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to see more fun videos.